Every year, roughly 325 million egg-laying hens strut their stuff across the United States, producing an astonishing 96.9 billion eggs. That's right, billions. If you're ever feeling unproductive, just remember, these hens are working round the clock, with each one laying an average of 296 eggs per year. That's a whole lot of omelets. But it hasn't always been this way. Back in the year 2000, the average hen was laying just 264 eggs annually. So what's changed? Well, it's all thanks to the magic of genetics. Breeders have cleverly optimized hens through breeding programs, making them the egg-laying machines they are today. Gone are the days of underperforming chicken. Hello everyone. Today we're cracking open the process of raising and harvesting eggs on a modern American farm. The process begins with eggs being transferred from the breeding farms to the incubator, where they are sterilized with an organic mist without the use of formaldehyde to minimize bacteria, demonstrating a commitment to biosecurity. Eggs are transferred electronically from farm trolleys to incubator trolleys before being placed in the incubator, where they develop for 18 days in controlled incubation units with 36 incubators, capable of holding up to 6 million eggs. These units tilt the eggs to maintain uniform and precise temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels. After 18 days, the eggs are embryo tested, where a machine checks the heartbeat to determine whether the eggs are viable or non-viable. Non-viable eggs are discarded to avoid exposure to harmful bacteria. The viable eggs are vaccinated with an approved organic vaccine against common poultry diseases, with a strict policy of not using antibiotics at any stage, which sets them apart from other producers. The incubation system has 2 floors, and when the chicks hatch, they move to the lower basket, where they are provided with nutritionally balanced organic feed and clean water, unlike traditional hatcheries that wait until the chicks arrive at the farm to feed. Chicks begin to hatch about 24 hours after arriving at the hatchery and continue hatching for about 2 full days. The hatching process is precisely controlled using temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide levels, and a state-of-the-art HVAC system to ensure proper fresh air circulation. As the chicks hatch, they move towards openings and drop into a bottom basket, eliminating the need for a mechanical separator used in traditional hatcheries. Fresh water is provided through troughs along the sides, with LED lights attracting the chicks to take their first drink. The chicks quickly find the feed on their own after getting their first drink. After all the chicks are hatched, they are visually inspected by humans, and those that do not survive are treated with a gentle carbon dioxide anesthetic. Healthy chicks are vaccinated against common poultry diseases. The chicks are then transported to the farms in specialized vehicles with precise temperature, lighting, feed, and water control systems, ensuring the best conditions throughout the journey. The egg-laying process begins when the pullets are raised in the breeding facility until they are 18 weeks old, when they are moved to the laying house and begin laying eggs. The houses are now clean and equipped with the necessary equipment to welcome the hens to perform their duties. The outdoor and indoor areas are also carefully fenced to protect the flock from predators. Chickens are fed using an automated feeding system. The main feed for chickens on these farms is corn, soybeans, and mixed feed. The hens are exposed to longer daylight hours or artificial light to stimulate egg laying. The hens do not enter the commercial laying stage until they are 21 weeks old. The peak laying period is from 25 to 39 weeks of age. After that, egg laying gradually decreases until the end of the laying period at around 72 weeks of age. The hens are then removed from the laying system. Millions of eggs are collected weekly without manure and soil thanks to an intelligent conveyor system that operates automatically. Research shows that free-range chickens will lay about 10% more eggs than caged chickens. Organic eggs are often tastier and command a higher price. The eggs are then collected and transported to packing plants. The plants will clean and inspect the shells, yolks, and whites to eliminate poor quality eggs. Next, the eggs are fed into machines to be sorted into different sizes and carefully packaged in cardboard or plastic boxes. The U.S. egg industry produces more than 100 billion eggs each year. More than half of the shell eggs are sold directly to retail stores, and the rest are further processed for food service. The egg industry plays a significant role in the economy, providing jobs, income, and revenue for farmers, processors, distributors, and retailers. In the U.S. alone, the industry contributes billions of dollars annually to the economy. According to recent data, over 80,000 people work in the egg industry, from farm labor to processing and logistics. Egg farms, many of which are family-owned, play a crucial role in supporting rural communities. They provide steady employment and contribute to the local economy by buying feed, equipment, and other necessary supplies. Additionally, the revenue generated from egg production helps fund public services and infrastructure in these areas. Retailers, grocery stores, and supermarkets also benefit from egg sales. As eggs are one of the most commonly purchased grocery items, they attract customers to stores who then buy other products, further boosting the economy. Eggs are a key ingredient in many food products, such as baked goods, pasta, mayonnaise, and sauces. The processed egg market also plays an important role, with liquid eggs, dried egg powder, and frozen egg products being used in various industries, including food service, restaurants, and food manufacturing. All of these sectors depend on eggs, making them an integral part of the wider food production chain. Therefore, eggs also support other industries. Eggs have been a staple food in the human diet for thousands of years, prized for their versatility, nutritional richness, and adaptability in countless recipes. From breakfast tables to baked goods, eggs play a crucial role in cuisines worldwide. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, providing a wide array of essential nutrients in a relatively low-calorie package. They offer high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and unique nutrients like choline, which make them an excellent addition to any diet. Whether you're aiming to boost your protein intake, support eye and brain health, or enjoy a satisfying, nutrient-dense food, eggs are one of the most versatile and beneficial foods you can include in your daily meals. Their journey from farm to plate is an intricate process that involves careful breeding, management, and handling, ensuring we receive a high-quality product. It's no surprise that they have become a part of meals all around the world. In fact, many countries have their own special egg dishes. For example, in Mexico, there's huevos rancheros, which features fried eggs with salsa on tortillas. In Japan, there's a sweet omelet called tamagoyaki, often enjoyed with sushi. And in Spain, tortilla española, a potato and egg omelet, is a popular dish. These examples show just how much eggs are loved and used in different cultures. Every year on the second Friday of October, World Egg Day is celebrated around the globe. The day was established by the International Egg Commission in 1996 to raise awareness about the nutritional benefits of eggs and their importance as a food source. On World Egg Day, countries celebrate in various ways, such as hosting cooking competitions, organizing educational campaigns about egg farming, and offering free eggs to communities. It highlights how a humble food like the egg can have a worldwide impact on nutrition and cuisine. Innovation. Researchers and companies are exploring alternative egg production methods, such as lab-grown eggs and plant-based egg substitutes, to meet the needs of an evolving market. These alternatives cater to consumers seeking sustainable, cruelty-free, and allergy-friendly options, indicating that the industry may diversify beyond traditional egg farming. These days, egg farmers feel a responsibility to provide the best possible care to hens and produce safe, wholesome, and affordable eggs. Over time, farms have modified how they house and care for hens and produce eggs, adopting science-based practices as new information and research becomes available. With this spirit of continuous improvement, egg farms have improved the health and productivity of hens, enhanced food safety, and lessened impacts on the environmental, while providing a high-quality, affordable egg supply. And that's the exciting journey of eggs and hens. Do you like eggs? Leave your favorite egg dish in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when our exciting videos go live. Goodbye.